So we're going to take a look at additional ways of getting help when you're working in Office. So we are going to open a dialog box, and you'll notice on the ribbon where the name of the group is to the right, there's a little symbol. This is a dialog box launcher. So we're going to go ahead and click on that, and that opens the font dialog box. And you'll notice that the dialog boxes have an X, which would close them, but they also have a little question mark, which is for online help. So you can actually click on that question mark, and it will give you online help that pertains to the dialog box. So I'm going to kind of click out of both of these. So that's one way of getting help. And we are going to go into Backstage View. Because you'll notice next to your name there is a question mark there as well. And if you click on that, you can get to online help from here. And we'll click on the X and we'll go back. Another way to get to online help is just to press the F1 key. Now, if you have a laptop, you're probably going to have to press FN and press F1 at the same time. And so far we've clicked on links to get to help windows, but they want us to actually type in print and press enter. And this gives us online help directly related to printing. Okay. And if we wanted to read any of these, we can just basically click on the link, and that would tell us how to go in and do our printing. So we're going to close, and we're going to take a look at print preview. So we're going to go to File and Print, and you'll notice that your print preview does have a zoom. And again, this is, not going to affect what goes to the printer. It just affects what you can see. And it tells you how many pages there are as far as printing goes, and you can scroll through and take a look. By default, it is going to print everything. If you only want it to print one page, you would key in like 2 minus 2. That limits it to page 2. If you wanted page 2 and 3, you'd say 2 minus 3. If you wanted page 1 and 3, you'd probably do a 1, a comma, and a 3. Okay? So you can really be very specific about what you want printed. Okay? So if it's more than one page, you can put commas. If it's a range of pages, you put a minus sign between the first and the last page. Okay? Or if you just want a single page, you could do it like that, just a 2. So we aren't actually going to print anything. I just wanted to point out printing choices and options that you have. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and click on back. And we are going to make sure that we have our documents saved. And at this point, we are done with vacation specials. So you can go ahead, go to File, and Close.